I don't know if you ever heard the song, but there is a song that says, "The show don't stop, the show goes on." Well, that's what it is for the snowstorm. The show is not stopping anytime soon. Let's take a look at our AccuWeather Doppler radar forecast. Just kind of check this out, see what's happening currently. Um, See this how this storm's going, and I'm surprised because I think it's going to be just surprising to look at. So, all right, and here you have it. It's moving northeast. Now we see Boston getting in on some heavy snows as we zoom in here. New York City still getting some snow. Excuse me, sorry. Providence, Rhode Island, Boston, Manchester, New England, Vermont, Portland, Maine, Augusta, Maine, Bangor, Maine. Um, so that's your current look at what's happening. You can kind of see the general scope of the storm, how large it is, and I'd love to see how much snow has actually fallen currently, but I don't know how to access that. So we're just going to look at our future amounts here. Let's take a look at this. Let's go to hour 81 because by then the storm will be dead and gone, so to speak. Winter weather, total snowfall. Okay, so again, the majority, keep in mind, of the snow has fallen. Now we just have this snow here in Boston. Boston's really the major city that's going to pick up significantly more snow. Other than that, that's the main gist. Where the storm's exiting, but not before it leaves with the roar of a lion, so to speak. It's going to go out with a bang. So we're going to kind of switch gears a little bit and go into our long range weather forecast. I'd like to check out our next 45 days of temps because, again, long range here. So winter snowfall looks like this. This is very decent for this time of year. Temperatures 46 days from now. Again, very, very decently cold for this time of year. You don't always see this in going into April, so this is a good sign for winter to still linger on. Let's take a look at our precip the next 45 days, and wow, that's today's latest run, I believe. Is today the 22nd? Oh, it's the 23rd. So this was yesterday's run, but nonetheless, it is a lot of snow, or I'm sorry, precip here in the Great Lakes, which I still think the Great Lakes is going to be your area to see your general snows for the rest of winter. One of the many, but the main one. Let's take a look at let's close off with looking at our NAO, and here we go. CPC NAO positive, big influencer this time of year. Positive NAO means warmth. We're seeing warmth, at least in certain areas of the country, but that's a good analogy of how these factors just co-align with each other so beautifully, and it's really an art and a science how they all work and operate together. But it's expected to stay positive, and it really hasn't done that ever since, if you look all the way to the left until March. It's never been positive for this long and this intensely positive. So again, it's going to be a battle at the end of winter with warm and cold. With that being said, I would expect a lot of severe weather outbreaks because you're getting instability with those clashing of air masses. So again, big snowstorm moving out of the northeast, thank God, because this is a dangerous system. Go look at Jim Cantori's footage if he has any. He was in this storm and he's the thunderstorm magnet. I want to know if he got thunderstorm snow. So let me know in my community comment page. And also, there's one other thing. So yeah, we have the storm moving out, and the rest of winter is going to be a battle. Could have some severe weather by late winter into March and April. So, Alright, guys, I'm reaching 5 minutes now. That's my limit. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.